Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and chances are you've already seen the video on this month's club set. But I mentioned in that video that I had lots of more samples and lots more add-ons to share with you today, and guess what? It is time. First, let's look back at what our current stamp set is. It is called Bumblebees2stamp, has the cute hive, has some bees, but you might have looked at that and said, gosh, oh, and then of course there's the die. Whoops, whoa, I showed you almost the wrong ones. There's the dies that match, right? But you're thinking, gosh, I wish I had some bigger bees. Wouldn't it be more fun if I had more bees? Well, look at this, you guys. More bees. Aren't they adorable? Look, so I took them and made them bigger, added some more words stamps. Just be you, don't worry, be happy. You are sweet as honey. Oh, honey. You are beautiful. Kind words are like honey, sweet to the soul. And many, many, many tiny bees, little tiny, tiny mini bees and big bees on this set. Now, you're thinking, Stephanie, that's great, but I wish there were dies that match. Well, of course there are. You know me, right? Of course there are dies that match. And there's this huge, massive word that says be happy. I had to check. Be happy. And the font is amazing. You're going to love it. And I have lots of samples. Don't worry. Look, you can see the stack of samples. You always know it's good when I have tons of samples from my design team, right? But I couldn't stop. I couldn't stop when I did these. I had to make more. So this stamp set is what I call B ... Because this one, and Ken didn't understand when I said, okay, you got to order that stamp set that says B. And he's, what? What? It's B ... That's the name of it. Because you're going to say be happy, be kind, be thankful, be true, be yourself, be brave, be positive, be joyful, let it be, queen bee, be wild, be you, just be you. And then two, so we got two in there also. So let me think really quick. I think it's be kind to yourself. I think that's what I was thinking. Be kind to yourself. Lots and lots of options on this one. You are gonna love it. Perfect for the bee theme, right? But wait, my friends, there's more, because I wanted a new background die that was a beehive / hexagon look. And look at how gorgeous these hexagons are. You must use our adhesive sheets on the back of this one. There is no way in the world you're going to be able to adhere this guy down if you don't use those adhesive sheets. Warning, okay? Now, this one's my favorite. I don't know how many of you know that I'm madly in love with Pooh Bear. Pooh Bear has been in my life since I was 2 years old. My grandmother gave me a Pooh Bear that when I was 2 that I still have, and it's actually in my living room because guess what? My twins love those Pooh Bears. So I did a fold it honey pot. But this honey pot has more than meets the eye. First of all, it has the cute little, it has the word honey. It has the cute little honey adapter, applicator, whatever you want to call it. And it has dripping honey. But it also has this cute little thing that you could make to make it just be a jar full of something else if you wanted. Right? Right? Isn't that cool? Now, club members, don't forget you got this cute little postcard that has an idea on it, but I'm going to share some fun things with you. Last but not least, one more thing before we show you the samples. Embossing folders. You guys have been begging for embossing folders. And I finally decided, you know what? It's time. Let's do embossing folders. I haven't done them in years and years and years and years and years. Now we have 2 different embossing folders. We have the mum, our fun mum, and we have our lattice, which I love. Now, first of all, you're going to notice, whoa, they're pink. Is that cool or what? I know, it's awesome. One tip on these, a couple different tips. Number 1, they are open at the top here. So if you wanted to do a long strip, you could put your strip in there and do a long strip. These, to get best results, you're gonna use the Gemini machine. For best results, you're gonna use the Gemini machine. What if you don't have the Gemini machine? That is okay. You're gonna wanna use a shim of cardstock or 2. Okay, because as we all know, the Gemini machine is much stronger than the Spellbinders or any other manual machine. If you only have a manual machine, you're going to want to use a shim of cardstock, 1 or 2, okay? The Gemini does not need any shims, okay? And you're going to love the look. Let's jump in and look at the look on that one first because I really want you to see it. Look at how gorgeous this mom is when it is embossed. It is absolutely beautiful. Now, you can also coordinate it with our current mom stamp set, and it's in the background there. Absolutely gorgeous, so fun. I have more samples. Oh, here they are. Here's another one. Look at how deep that embosses. It is absolutely stunningly beautiful. Here's one which I really love because it's so subtle. You almost don't see it, but in real life you go, wait, ooh, that's embossed, which is really fun because when you give a card to someone that is embossed, but it's so subtle, they're not the embossing, but the actual look of it is very subtle. People go, oh wow, you went the extra mile on this one, which is really fun. Here's a lattice one with it embossed and then inked on top. So much fun. So make sure you check those out as well, okay? Now, let's move on to our other samples. I know you already saw this cute little guy in the other video, but I wanted to point out that the word honey comes from the Honey Pot Fold It. And look at this Honey Pot Fold It. Look at this. Is Yvette amazing or what? She created this cute little Honey Pot Fold It. Cute little polar bear in there made into a bear. You are as sweet as honey. So cute. Honey on there. She embossed the honey with the mom's embossing folder, which is actually very gorgeous. Look at that honey. Doesn't it look real? It looks like it's just dripping. I absolutely love it. So, ooh, let's look at some Hexagon background. I love when our designers kept a couple pieces in there because it just adds something totally different to it, doesn't it? Isn't that fun? Here's a cute one with it on a slimline card. You can hide the little extra because you know you're gonna have to do 2, but you're gonna hide that behind something else and no one will ever know that it's actually 2 pieces in the background. Isn't that fun? Look at this cute one. And look at those big bees. See, I told you you need those big bees too. I wish I could have gotten all the bees on one sheet. I couldn't, so there's the extra bees. Look at how cute this one is with those pretty, pretty flowers. I love the brown hexagons with the yellow background. Isn't that pretty? Here's a cute one using our old hive from our old bee set. But look at those little tiny mini bees. Aren't they cute? The little tiny ones. So fun. Oh, look, you can make that a flower. You can make the background a flower. Isn't that cute? Now here's a cute one. We're going to open it up. It's using our A1 envelope and card. Look at that. I've been missing you. Using our strip dies. So cute. Love it. Now here's a cute one. Smile. And look how cute that little bee is. So much fun. Open it up. Queen bee. Oh my goodness. Honey pot. Honey pot alert. Honey pot alert. Hello, honey. Love you to the moon and back. Isn't that gorgeous? I love that honey pot. I love that honey pot. Now, don't forget you could add our Best Buds bear to it. Look, that bear is holding that honey pot applicator. So cute. Here's a cute one with honey just dripping down. Honey buzzing by to say, you are as sweet as honey. Now, couple notes. In the background here, you have that hexagon die cut, which is really, really cute. You have your honey there and you have your honey dripping. Now, look at this one. Oh, and it's folded at the top. This one's folded on the side. Look at this one. Totally different look. More blues and browns. Honey. You can see the honey dripping, but also you can see the little jar holder up there. Now, Cheryl made this one because, and it doesn't have her name on it, but I know because she loves our 3D ink, and she has 3D ink all over this. She has those dots all over there. So cute on the little bees themselves. So cute. 2 different looks, same exact die. Isn't that amazing? I know, it's amazing. It's amazing. Now, that die set with the bees comes with Be Happy. Isn't that awesome? Love it. Be kind, be you. Here's a cute fun shaker with our triple square. Look at this. I'm going to move it around so you can see. Woo! And oh, the inside is even decorated, buzzing by to say, be yourself. You are beautiful. So cute. Oh, look at this one. The colors, the yellow, black, and white. Just, woo, look at that. Using our sunflower, so cute. You are so special. Now, using the hexagons in a stripe, not using the whole background, using it in a stripe. We've seen the hexagon background in many, many different ways, but hardly in just a full background, right? That's in a stripe. Here it is, just a couple different pieces. Let's see. Here it is again in just not the whole thing, just a couple pieces. So you're gonna use that for lots of different things. Oh, here's one as a full background, but with extra pieces kept in there. So awesome that you can do it a lot of different ways. Here's a gorgeous one with our fun sunflower from our sunflower class. Love it. Isn't that beautiful? Opening it up, thinking of you. Using a doily background, you gotta love that. Then here's another one. Oh, hexagon background in foil. Changes everything, doesn't it? Changes everything. I'm trying to move it so you can see how shiny it is. It's just, look at that. Oh, that's just gorgeous. Love that. You are as sweet as can be. Here's a cute one. Again, that hexagon background. You're gonna see that hexagon background a lot, but you're not gonna notice it right off the bat. It's not gonna be the woo in your face kind of thing. It's gonna be one of those things where you're like, oh, whoa, that's in the background, right? Layer, layer, layer. It changes everything when you layer. Look, here's just a couple pieces of that hexagon background. Oh, and in the corner as well. Here's a cute one. You're a sweet, look at those bees. Those bigger bees are just so fun. You just be you. And here's this one because I wanted to show you this one again because this one uses some of the bigger bees. Spring has sprung. Open that up and that be happy, which is amazing, isn't it? Now that doily background is doily number 5 background. Just a heads up on that. Club members, of course you're getting the club discount on all of these products. And do you want me to tell you a little secret? I usually don't talk about this in the videos because you could be watching this in a month or 2 months or 3 months or 4 months. But let me just tell you that if you belong to our newsletter, so if you don't get our newsletter, make sure you subscribe to our newsletter. We send out an email when we have brand new products. And the first 24 hours, brand new products are on our website. It's always the brand new ones. It's never something you bought 6 months ago. It's always brand new items. Chances are they're on what we call a flash sale. Now, what is a flash sale? A flash sale is a good 24 hours or until the item sells out where you can purchase these items not only using your club discount, but first we take usually 15 to 25% off. Then you get to take off your club discount, so you're getting double discounts. Technically, it's 3 different things because you're getting the flash sale price discount, you're getting the club discount, and club members are getting club points on top of all of that. So, wow, wow, wow. The first 24 hours. So if you're watching this in a month or 2 months or 3 months or 4 months, you missed out. But make sure you're getting our email newsletter. Make sure you're opening it. If you don't get it, check your spam folder. Sometimes that goes in there. I'm telling you, I've been getting emails from Kenny that go in my spam folder lately. Always check your spam folder. Okay, because some things are in there that are actually good, okay? So make sure you check that out. The first 24 hours, we usually put a brand new item on flash sale. Not every single time, but a lot of times. So make sure you're paying attention to get that extra discount. It's so exciting. It's so exciting. You're gonna love it. And if you're not in the club, go join now. Now's your chance. Get in now. Okay, boom. If I went too fast on any of these, because I know I like to talk fast, make sure you go to our online gallery, check that out. We also have a Facebook fan page. Go to Facebook and search Stamps of Life fan page. You're gonna find lots of awesome ideas there. It's a very positive, happy, safe place to be, and you're definitely gonna wanna join that as well. Okay? Thank you so much, and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.